What's up, traders? Julian here, jlewistrading.com. Just going to do a full review of the day trade that we put on today and something that I called out in chat. Now, SESN was the day trade that was put on today. This is a 5-minute chart. Had this nice little pop-up, constantly hitting the same pattern on the same charts every single day. It's what we refer to as an STF pattern. And right through here, you can see that this trendline resistance dropped into the cash market. We had this nice explosion, and then based on a proprietary tool that we use to take profits, we were actually signaled to get out of the trade up through here as price action came against us. It did move a little bit later on in the day, but we weren't participating in that part of the trade. So on SESN, this was the main rip right through here. We saw that high. As price action came off, we were out of this position, and I think there was a sum total of a 7-minute hold on this particular trade. The other trade that we put on, well, I didn't put on, but I called out in chat, is SMRT. Now, SMRT was a very, very simple 5-minute flag pattern. We teach this in the boot camp as well. And you can see right through here the price action had bumped up, moved sideways, consolidated a little bit. The lows were getting higher, had a nice little ascending triangle squeeze at about 125. And I put this out at the minute that it was breaking out in the chat room. Boom, it exploded. There was about 15 minutes of price action that moved higher, and it moved all the way up to 144. I was not surprised that it hit this level based on a tool that we use that actually clarifies where price action could potentially go to. Hit this level perfectly. Price action came off, and the trade was done for the day. Now, I did not personally trade SMRT, but I did put this out in chat, and I was saying very, very clearly at 125, when this level breaks, this is going to be a potential mover. Now, the day trades that we're looking at, these low float stocks, they are not fantastic, but they are hyper volatile. And that's what we're looking to do every single day. Take these quick little trades on these hyper volatile stocks. This thing, who knows where this goes tomorrow, but SMRT, I alerted this to everybody in our chat room. I put it out, watch 125, boom, it hit. Also, back on SESM, there it was right there. And we teach this in the day trading bootcamp. So if you have any questions, there's going to be a link below. You can actually hit me up at info@jlewistrading.com if you have any questions about our bootcamp. We're starting one on the 29th, totally full. We will be looking to launch another one in June. We always do a limited seat rotation. So if you have any questions, by all means, email me, info@jlewistrading.com. But this is what we refer to as an STF. And at price action, did a little bit of movement in the pre-market and in the cash market. Bam, we were ready to it. MACD histogram reset. Nice little volume play. It was a beautiful thing. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Turn those notifications on. If you have any questions, again, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. And guys, if this is the first time you're watching one of these videos, you got to click the links below in the description box and watch some interviews done with some past students of mine. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.